when you have two chords that intersect in a circle, your chords are your segments that are entirely inside the circle, and they have endpoints on the circle. Then when you have chords, you're going to do, this is your one that's like piece times piece equals piece times piece. So I'm taking this little part of that chord times the other piece of the chord. So that's your KO times KL. And that's going to be equal to this piece of this chord, MO, times the other side, ON. Okay, and so the chords themselves are not going to be equal. They don't have to be. But when I multiply their pieces, that's what's equal. Okay, so that's when you have chords. And then when you have secants, your secants are chords that extend outside the circle. You're going to do the whole thing, so EB times the outside portion equals this whole secant, ED times the outside portion. So this is kind of like, it's kind of like football. When you run it into the end zone and you get your touchdown, that's your whole thing, you get the touchdown. But then to do your field goal, your extra kick, you don't have to run the whole length of the field again. You can just start towards the end and just do that last little bit of scoring. Okay, so that's your secants. And then when you have a secant that goes outside the circle, and then your tangent, which doesn't go in the circle, it just touches it, it grazes the outside. You're taking your tangent times itself, so squaring it, and that's equal to the whole secant times the outside portion. Okay, so on this one, if I'm looking at my chords, that was nice to do this one. How am I going to set this up? Okay, so 3 times 4
is equal to
6 times x. Good. Okay.
Yeah.
So then 3 times 4 is
12.
12. And this is equal to 6 times x. So x is going to be,
Wait, do I divide 2 divided by 6?
yes.
So 2.
And if I look, 4 plus 3 is
7.
7. 6 plus 2 is
12. Oh, 8.
8. So the chords themselves are not equal because 7 and 8 aren't the same, but their products, 3 times 4 is 12, 6 times 2 is 12. Their products are the same. Okay? This one, I'm going to have to do a bit more algebra, so how would I set that one up?
X plus 4 times 6.
Okay, so x plus 4 times 6, and I'm going to put this x plus 4, since that's a quantity, I need to put it in parentheses. And that's times 6 equals 12 times x. Good. So then
6x
distribute, good, so 6x
plus
24
equals
12x. Okay, and then you can solve that one.
So then subtract 6.
Subtract 6, good.
And then 24 equals 6x, and 24 divided by 6 is.
Good. Okay, let's try one of the secants. So these are your ones where you do
The whole thing, and so 10 times 2.
the whole thing. I would do this 10 plus 2.
So 10 plus 2 times 2.
Yes. Or you could do just 10 plus 2, which
Do it? Oh,
is
12.
yes, you can go ahead and add them.
Okay, so 12 times 6,
Mm-hmm.
and then equals, do I do 3x?
Add them.
Or add 3x?
No, when you add x and 3, that's going to be x plus 3 because I can't combine those terms. 3x is when I multiply them. And then what do I need with that 3 plus x?
So multiply it? No, to times them.
Well, I'm going to times them, but before I can times them, I need to know that that's a quantity.
I'll put them in parentheses.
There you go. Okay, and then times your outside portion.
Which is 3.
Mm-hmm.
So then, 12 times 2 is 24 equals, 3 times 3
Mm-hmm.
is 9 plus 16.
What?
That's not 16?
No.
Okay.
24 minus 9. 15.
Okay, 15 equals 3x, and then divided by 3x equals 5.
There you go. You got it.